Oh yeah. Oh no!
It's a beautiful day at the farm and we're with the donkeys. They're not looking at me. I think there's some tension in the air. I'm not gonna lie, yikes. I think one of them's being an ass. I think one day they're gonna figure out how to communicate with animals, and we are all gonna be in a whole lot of trouble for all the bad stuff that humans do to animals. Oh my goodness, hi. Are you my buddy? Are you my buddy? Are we pals? Maybe. Camera phone. You're good, Coral.